Hello, investors. Welcome to the Clap Money Trading. Today we're diving into an intriguing aspect of trading that could change the way you look at the stock market. It's not just about numbers and charts, it's about understanding psychology. So, let's explore why psychology is crucial in stock market trading. Trading psychology refers to the emotional and mental state that helps traders cope with the decisions they make in the markets. It's about how fear, greed, and other emotions affect your trading decisions. For example, fear can lead to selling off assets too quickly during a market dip, potentially missing out on greater gains later. Greed, on the other hand, might make a trader hold onto a winning stock for too long, ignoring signs that it's time to sell. Recognizing these emotions in yourselves and others can give you an edge in predicting market movements. Successful traders often share certain psychological traits. First is discipline, the ability to stick to a trading plan even in volatile markets. Next is confidence, allowing traders to trust their analysis and instincts. And perhaps most importantly, resilience. The market will test you with losses. Bouncing back requires a strong mental attitude. Improving your trading psychology starts with education. Understand the markets and your own trading style. Next, keep a trading journal to reflect on your decisions and their outcomes. Lastly, practice mindfulness and stress management techniques. Meditation, exercise, and having hobbies outside of trading can help maintain your emotional equilibrium. Remember, mastering the stock market isn't just about analytical skills. It's also about mastering your own mind. Start noticing your emotional responses, use the strategies we discussed, and you'll not only become a better trader but also enjoy the process more. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Happy trading, and remember, the market is not just charts, it's also about hearts.